Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to the grand astronomy fair that we have, the Go Cosmos event. And we, Orchids, the International School, Sector 113 Gurugram, is proud to host the largest astronomy fair in Gurugram. And we are expecting a crowd of more than 10,000 students over the next 3 days to be a part of this prestigious event. We have a variety of events that would be a part of this, including a few food stalls that would be based on astronomy. We have a small planetarium. There will be shows running continuously in that. And astronomy is an integral part of our curriculum as well. So we have a beautiful astronomy lab, which we'll just ask you all to take a round of, along with a set of 8 other labs that we have. Astronomy is taught as a regular subject in the curriculum. We have also got a separate channel on Discord where our central astronomy team is connected to the students pan India of all the 100 plus schools that we have across the country. They are all connected on this. In this event, we'll be having a lot of stalls for the games where the children will have a stellar experience of how astronomy is. We have also put up a telescope. We've also put up a telescope which would be a little later in the evening, and the students can take an experience of how the space looks like, and so that we keep looking for more and more things in future with the help of our students here.
Good evening to all of you. On behalf of Orchids, the International School, I would like to welcome all of you over here. You are our guests, and I'm really thankful for your presence. You're honored over here. The main objective of this event is to showcase the talent of our student entrepreneurs. Astronomy is a subject which has been inbuilt in our curriculum, as our principal, Miss Divya, she has already appraised you all. Same way, we want to showcase the talents which our students are having, and they are going to head different stalls, the different activities which will come down as when you are going to visit the stalls, and you can see unfold those activities. There are many more things like you can see check the weight in a particular planet, then you have the stargazing, then you have the planetarium show, and many other surprising events are there which our students are going to handle. That will be the best part of the show. And this is the biggest astronomy fair as over in India which has come over. Orchids is conducting this event just with the objective to apprise the entire student fraternity about this curriculum and make people aware what is in astronomy, what this is a different study, this is completely different world which student enters into. And this is what Orchids want to imbibe in the minds of the students and the parents who are going to visit our campus. We have already conducted this event in all our campuses like Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, and it's happening now here in Gurgaon, and next it's upcoming in Indore and Nagpur. So our objective will be fulfilled completely to the core only when the students of the entire city comes and visits the show. It's a free entry, and to encourage the footfalls and the parents, we have provided free transport to them also from our different venue schools. And even we are having schools at Sonipat, Rohtak. From there also we have provided free transport for the parents, those who want to board and come and witness this event. So all this we are trying to do to make parents and students aware of this entire show and the event. And we are really thankful that you are here with your gracious presence to make this event a little more successful. Thank you.
Awkward experience for me when I'm sitting and people are standing. हम teachers हैं ना वाले, हमारी आदत होती है when we are standing and people are sitting. But and you will have been standing for a while, so I'll keep this short. I am not very old in office. Sumitra madam, Harsh, Pranay, Divya madam, they are like legends. They have been the pillars of Orchids. मैंने तो last year August में join किया. And when I joined, the person who hired me, the person who is the boss of all of us, he said, Ajit, astronomy पढ़ाते हैं, स्कूल के बच्चों को astronomy पढ़ाते हैं. If you take a break from being a media person to a parent for 1 minute, you start thinking of school के बच्चों को astronomy पढ़ाते हैं. The subject that is not even taught at bachelor's level, जिसमें हिंदुस्तान में सिर्फ मास्टर्स और पीएचडी होता है, उनको स्कूल को बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं. ऐसे ग्रेट पढ़ा देंगे, करना क्या? इनफाइनाइट स्पेस, इनफाइनाइट ज्ञान नहीं. इंस्ट्रक्शन चेंज हो गए. एस्ट्रोनॉमी पढ़ाना है, बट एक्टिविटी बेस्ड. व्हाई? एस्ट्रोनॉमी इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ सीबीएसई. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एनईपी, like a lot of other subjects. So if I teach it the way CBSE does, तो बच्चे आएंगे नहीं. They are already studying so many subjects in school. Either you have kids or you have been kids at some time. हम स्कूल जाते हैं, हम बहुत कुछ पढ़ते हैं, फिर घर से भेजा जाता है. ये बोलते हैं बेटा एग्जाम आएंगे, पास होना पड़ेगा, वरना डॉट डॉट डॉट. एस्ट्रोनॉमी अगर मैं ज्ञान देना शुरू करूँगा, सब पे बैठे रहेंगे. So we changed the entire model. Like ma'am said, we have an astronomy lab. Astronomy lab में हम क्या रखेंगे? It's not a museum. Astronomy museums बहुत सारे. It is not a standalone planetarium. What are we doing in the astronomy lab? Why are we teaching something like astronomy, something like robotics, something like coding? ये हम लोग क्लासेस में पढ़ा देंगे. We'll take the students to the lab. Why? Because we at Orchids have realized that this one aspect where this generation enjoys learning the most is उनको खुला छोड़ दें. So they might not be very excited coming to school because they have to learn maths and science, but they will always be excited when they know कि स्कूल जाऊंगा तो आज एक गेम फुटबॉल की खेलूंगा, एक बार स्केटिंग करूंगा, शायद एक बार स्विमिंग भी करूंगा. We have visual arts labs, we have wet and dry labs. All of this is to make sure that this generation gets, because इस generation को उस एज पे मोबाइल मिल जाएगा जिस एज पे हम लोग पैंट की बेल्ट बांधना सीख रहे थे स्कूल में. So it is not a challenge to deal with this generation, rather it is an exciting aspect to give this generation the way they want to learn. So when we created a completely activity based curriculum, whatever we teach in astronomy, it is in the lab. सर अब लैब में हम लोग ब्लैक होल्स कैसे सिखाएंगे? सर वो भी सिखाएंगे. आइए लैब में we'll show you the black hole model. We'll teach you how the students understand how the black hole works. तो फिर ये जो रॉकेट लॉन्च और स्पेस शटल लॉन्च होता है, ये कैसे दिखाएंगे? मेरे पास उसका भी मॉडल है. We teach to students the basic laws of physics that go into deciding how much power will a rocket need to be launched. और उसके सिवाय everything else that happens on a daily basis. कभी सोलर फ्लेयर हो जाएगा, कभी 6-7 प्लैनेट्स एक लाइन में आ जाएंगे, कभी कुछ और हो जाएगा. All of these things our students know. Whether it is the Astroverse, whether it is the lab, whether it is anything else, we are basically catering to the most fundamental thing that we believe at Orchids helps a student learn. Teaching is different, learning is different. आप बहुत कुछ पढ़ा सकते हैं, बच्चा सीख क्या रहा है, that's a different thing. And a student will always learn when you focus on the student's curiosity. That's what we are trying to do with astronomy. So what kind of activities? कैसे सिखाएंगे बच्चों को? This Go Cosmo is a small sample of the kind of activities that we will do in our labs for our students. The idea is not to make astronomers out of my students. No. Just like we don't bring students to school and teach them maths because एक दिन सारे के सारे मैथमेटिशियन बन जाएंगे. मैं सबको इंग्लिश मीडियम बोल के पढ़ा रहा बेटा तुम एक दिन जाके किताब लिखोगे. We are teaching them astronomy because it still caters to the same old curiosity. अब वो curiosity एक बार अगर cater करूँगा, then a lot of other skills will develop. Whether it is team skills, whether it is problem solving skills, all of this will come. So that is our idea. That is what we are trying to do with astronomy. And what we are trying to do, like I said, a small sample is in Go Cosmo, which is why an earnest request, once we finish this, please find some time look around the stalls, see what are we doing through those activities, and just go to the astronomy labs. And whatever you do, whether you go to the stalls, whether you go to the lab, please find some time to come back and give us some feedback. क्या पसंद आया, क्या नहीं पसंद आया, क्या समझ में नहीं आया, and what can we do better. Thank you again so much for coming. I hope you have a great evening.
Most of you, मैं आप लोगों से पहले भी मिल चुका हूँ. Excited to be meeting you again. सुमित्रा मैम ने सही कहा था, नहीं दिव्या मैम ने कहा था कि गुड़गांव का सबसे बड़ा एस्ट्रोनॉमी इवेंट हो रहा है. मैं थोड़ा सा करेक्शन कर दूं, ये इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा एस्ट्रोनॉमी इवेंट हो रहा है. पहली बार दुनिया का पहला एस्ट्रोनॉमी इवेंट है जो कि स्कूल करवा रहा है. ये छोटा सा एडिशन. और तीसरा, मतलब हम लोगों को अब रजिस्ट्रेशन बंद करने पड़े हैं. गेट पे अभी झगड़े होंगे कि नहीं हमें भी अंदर आना है, वो सब हैंडल करेंगे हम लोग. बट टिल नाउ वी डन इट इन 7 cities across India, handled around 30,000 students. करीब 6 से 8 हज़ार बच्चे हम यहाँ पे भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं अगले 3 दिनों में, आज से लेके. और डॉक्टर अजीत ने जो कहा वो सारी बातें सच है. इस इवेंट के पीछे एक पॉइंट और है. तो आप मेरे बच्चों को देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, मेरे बच्चों के लिए एस्ट्रोनॉमी नया नहीं है, हम लोगों के लिए नया नहीं है. आप शायद पहली बार टेलीस्कोप यहाँ पे आज यूज करोगे कुछ देखने के लिए, हम लोगों के लिए वो नया नहीं है. ये इवेंट एक गिव बैक है टू द सोसाइटी. बिकॉज ये सारी चीजें भी इस एज ग्रुप के साथ हो सकती है. हम इसका कोई चार्ज नहीं कर रहे. हमने खुले दिल से सबको बुलाया. इनफैक्ट हम खर्चा कर रहे हैं कि आप आओ और देखो. हम रोहतक सोनीपत तक से बसेस लगाए हैं ताकि वहां से पेरेंट्स स्टूडेंट्स आ सकें. हमारे स्कूल के नहीं, दूसरे स्कूल के बच्चों को हमने इनवाइट किया है और बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं. आप देखोगे यहाँ पे एक गिव बैक है हमारा सोसाइटी को कि ठीक है, कम एंड एक्सपीरियंस जो हम मजे एस्ट्रोनॉमी के साथ ले रहे हैं. रोज तो नहीं, लेकिन आप एक दिन तो लो आकर के हमारे साथ. ठीक है, बच्चे आएंगे, एक्साइटेड होंगे. पता नहीं उनमें से कौन एस्ट्रोनॉमर निकलेगा. इंटेंशन वो नहीं है. इंटेंशन 3 दिन बच्चों के साथ एस्ट्रोनॉमी के मजे लेने का है. और मेरी शिकायत वापस से आप लोगों के साथ वही है. पिछली बार भी आप लोग आए थे, आप लोगों से मैंने रिक्वेस्ट करी थी अपनी फैमिली लेके आओ. आज फिर आप लोग आए हो बगैर अपनी फैमिलीज के साथ में. तो पिछली बार में प्रॉब्लम ये था कि हमारा 1 दिन का इवेंट था, अगले दिन आप आ नहीं सकते थे. अभी हमारा 3 दिन का है. तो ये गलती को सुधारने का आपके पास कल और परसों दोनों दिन टाइम है. प्लीज कल या परसों में अपनी फैमिलीज को लेकर के आओ. एक बार मुझे बता देना, आई टेक केयर ऑफ योर थिंग्स हियर. बट प्लीज डू कम एंड विजिट अस विद योर फैमिलीज. आज एक बार आप लोग ये सारी चीजों को एक्सपीरियंस जरूर करना. ज्यादातर चीजें ऐसी है जिनके बारे में आपने अभी तक अखबार में भी नहीं पढ़ा होगा, जो यहाँ पे आप करने वाले. हमने चीजों को गेमिफाई किया है ताकि बच्चों को करने में मजा आए. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मम्मी कहती है बच्चे को दूध पी लो, तो बच्चा मुंह से फोड़ता है, दूध से स्मेल आ रही है, दूध नहीं पीना. विराट कोहली कहता है बूस्ट डाल के पी लो, तो दूध खत्म हो जाता है. तो हम जो है ना एस्ट्रोनॉमी के साथ कुछ विराट कोहली वाला काम कर रहे हैं आज. आप लोगों को उसको देख कर मजा आएगा. प्लीज डू कम एंड विजिट अस इन द एक्टिविटी स्टॉल्स. थैंक यू सो मच.
I hope your hospitality is taken care of. This event is as everybody has said, is a glimpse to astronomy and more insight into how ORCIDS teaches the students. In this age of infotainment, it's very important that the students get exposed to multiple topics and their knowledge horizon is expanded. So as we keep introducing new subjects, we keep upgrading the syllabus content of each subject every year, so that we are keeping the students abreast of what's happening around the globe in terms of education. And we don't get limited to what the CBSE syllabus is. We believe in teaching them extra. So astronomy is additional, is just an event. This event is to showcase the astronomy subject, not just to Orchid students. The students of Orchids are conducting the event, so their organization skills, their team spirit, their entrepreneurship is going to get exposed and exhibited to all of you. Apart from that, non-Orchid students will get a glimpse into how it is in Orchids. So we teach different subjects. We introduce to various subjects like financial literacy, robotics. So this all this actually helps students to expand their knowledge horizon. The professions that are right now in vogue were not there 10 years back, and we don't know what professions actually will light up 10 years down the line. So we focus on holistic development of the students. We ensure that they are prepared for success in whatever field they choose. Our job is to expose them to different knowledges. Some students will take interest in sports, some students will take interest in astronomy, but whatever they choose, we want them to shine. Thank you for coming. Please visit each stall, experience astronomy with us. We have much more exciting events to come. We are quite strongly established in South. We have 8 branches in Delhi and Haryana, and we plan to expand much more and increase our presence here. Thank you.